we just came back from shopping. So I'll show you what I bought. Come on, let's do it. First one, we got a battle figure Darkstreak. That's our first one. So our next one is So our next one is another battle figure is Broly. Our second one. So the next one is a Sharknado. Guys. Okay. So that's our third one, that's Sharky. And the next one is an Incineroar. One of my favorite Pokemon. Our next one is a Tyros. Okay. Our next one is oh my gosh, it's a Ho-Oh. Ho-Oh, I believe I could fly. Just kidding. Put it there. So the next one is a Hoopa, the legendary Pokemon. How about you? Okay, my Sharpie is alive. So our next one is a Gengar. So we got this from Big W. If you comment down below if you know Big W. Next one is a book. It says Legendary and Mystical Guidebook. It comes with a Necrozma, a Solgaleo, and a Lunala. So I'll show you the page. So our first page is Articuno and a Moltres. So our one that we have, I'll show you our poster. So this is a Lunala, a Necrozma, and a Solgaleo. Okay, so that's very, very cool, guys. That's why I bought it. The next one is a Teamwork Booster Pack. So we got Gengar, Mimikyu, and an Eevee and Snorlax. Next one that we have is a Sceptile from Target, and it's Unbroken Bonds. So this is Sceptile inside this, and there's 3 Unbroken Bond, and there's 1 Hydreigon coin. So next one that we have is a mini binder with a Machamp pack. Okay, so we got a Charizard and Reshiram, and the behind of the back is we got 1 booster pack that is actually a Marshadow and a Machamp. Very cool. So our next one is a Snorlax and Eevee Tag Team GF. So this is a Snorlax and Eevee. So I already got it, the Venusaur, but I don't have the Zekrom and Pikachu yet. So our next box is a Pikachu and Eevee collector box. So this comes with an Eevee and Pikachu, and there's a Pokeball, and there is a Pikachu and Eevee. And inside this ball, there are 5 packs of Lance Thunder. So our last one is different. So it's just gonna be very good. So we got a laser tag thing that you can play with your daddy or mommy or sister or brother. Then you can play with them and you can shoot them around. So that's all. So this is the back of the gun. So it comes with 2 guns and 2 receivers vests. So let's get started opening all these up. So we'll do it to smallest to biggest. So my daddy did show it. So he did it to smallest to biggest. So we're doing it to the dots trick. So let's start opening this Pokemon toy. Okay, we got it. Okay. So our ducks. So this is a duck streak. He evolves from this Rowlet to this guy. Okay, just let him down. So our next one that my daddy did was Grion. Okay. Okay, so let's get this guy out, and this is a Brion. Put this guy next to Duckstreak, or may he fall down. Okay, my next one was this Sharpedo. Okay, let's get started. Okay. And our Sharpedo is out. Look at this, guys. You do this, then he can chomp his mouth. That's cool. So our next one is Incineroar. Okay. Sorry that was hard for me. Oh my God. Okay. Let's get this guy out. And our Incineroar have a dead tail. Okay, so we got this guy out, and we put this guy on the tail. Okay, so this guy, we have to press his legs, and then you have to do this. He does this. He's like fighting somebody. So that's cool. Our last collection toy, add to figure, is a Tyrannosaurus. Okay. So take this guy out. This is a Tyro. Move! Oh my gosh. I think when you do this, then he will actually move, I think. Because it looks like he's moving. Yeah, he's moving. So this is how you do it. This is how I